Morning everyone, it's Captain Rugwash here. Thank you for tuning into this video. Today's job is a good one. It's for a resident of an assisted living accommodation in Plymouth, and the company's quite big. They've got properties all throughout the UK, and we clean 4 of them in Plymouth, so like all the communal areas and a lot of the residents' flats. So I'm going into one today. Carpet's been done a couple of years, polypropylene, grey. The resident is in a wheelchair. She has carers and cleaners coming in, so there's a lot of foot traffic, a lot of wheelchair use, so the carpet is in a pretty bad state. So I'm going to go in, pre-spray, use my EnviroSafe, which is our medical grade sanitizer, and give this lady's carpet a good deep clean and sanitize and deodorize. So I'll be putting some of the footage up in a minute, and then you can see how it came out. The job was really good, went really well. As you can see, it's a lovely sunny day in Plymouth, so the sunglasses are out. The job went really well. As you can see, the footage was really good. It wasn't much, there's more mud and general house normal dirt. Also a few accidents and spillages. Like I said, she's had carers and cleaners coming in, so a lot of foot traffic. But yeah, sprayed down, used a heavy duty pre-spray, used our EnviroSafe to help sanitize the area, and extracted with our hot water rinse. So she's had the carpets have had a good deep clean. As you can see, the dirty water was lovely and dirty, so she's going to be booking in now for every 6 months, which is great. So we help to keep, along with her domestic cleaners, we'll be helping to keep her little 1-bedroom apartment nice and clean and healthy for her, which will help make the carpet last a little bit longer. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.